here, comfortable in my skin, in my home, doing what I love. To why you're here. Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Janice. I've been missing for a little bit, but it's okay. I'm back, you know, and it's another haul. It's another haul, Christmas haul. For the past 3 years, I haven't purchased anything Christmas related, so yay. But I went crazy this year because this year I'm trying not to incorporate any red. So I went to Target, TJ Maxx, Walmart, Home Goods, Kirkland's, you name it, I've been there. So if there's anything that I've shared today and you would like to know where it's from, please leave a comment down below and I will try my best to locate those items and give you like a link or somewhere you can go. But please do not wait because it's November 2nd and a lot of things are starting to sell up. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into why you're here. Okay, so let's start with pillows. So, whoa, almost knocked me out. I went to, this is Home Goods, I believe. This was $24.99. And I saw this tree pillow and I fell in love with it. It's just green, gray, and it has some polka dots and beige on the bottom. And I just love the insert in it. It is so soft. And it's a zipper, and this was $24.99. Next up from Target, this was my inspiration in terms of pillows. This was 22 something, I don't remember. It has a zipper so you can remove it and take this stiff thing that's not choppable out of it and put in your own choppable insert so you can chop it, you know, chop, okay? All right. Okay, next one, let's go real fast because I don't want this video to be too long. We got this white, it's, I don't know what kind of material this is. I'm not the best. Fur. It's a fur. It's a feather filled. So this one is choppable. Let me move the camera a little bit. All right. Don't look in my kitchen. It's a hot mess over there. I bought some new appliances. But this is choppable. And it was $19.99 from Home Goods. And I love it. I love the texture and everything. And this can transition over into winter. So I love that. And then these bad boys. These were $24.99. You get two and they are feather filled. So you can chop them. And for 2 pillows and covers, that's amazing price. I love the color on here. And I'm just going to mix and match them with these that I got from Target couple months ago. So yeah, that's it for pillows, and I got another one here. So I think I'm set with pillows. I don't need any insert. I got inserts a couple months ago from Amazon. I will link those down below. They're the feather filled downy situation. I will link those. So let's move on to garlands. I went crazy with the garlands. Yes, I did. And I picked up this garland from the Studio McGee Christmas collection they have with Target. It was $30 and I just love whatever this is, and this, I haven't opened it. So that's the first thing I got. Next from TJ Maxx, I got this really long one. I don't know how long it is because it doesn't have a tag, but it lights up. And I really don't know where I'm gonna put this. Probably gonna put this on my mantle along with this one I got from Hobby Lobby. So this was 40 bucks, I believe. And then from Hobby Lobby, I got this one. And I'm thinking of going back and getting another one. This was originally $119 and I paid $49.99 because, as you know, Christmas at Hobby Lobby is now 60% off. So run, do not walk to your nearest Hobby Lobby and grab you this garland. I will try to see if I can show you up close what it looks like. That's all the information that's on mine, and it's 6 feet and it's very flowy and full. I'm trying to show you as much as I possibly can. It's really flowy, and that's just what it looks like. I love it. I love it. Love, 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 love it. It's coming across a little neon, but in person, I promise you, it's not as yellowish. And then my favorite, I went to Kirkland and I think I got everything they had. I got this one last year from A Floral and I paid $60 for this. I paid $60. You need to slap me in my head, in the back of my head, like they're saying in Jamaica. Slap me in the back of my head. But I paid $60 for this. Went to Kirkland and it's the same garland for $31. Half the price. So you know your girl, oh, it smells so good. You know your girl got 5. So I picked up 5. So here they are. Oh, Lord. Here they are. And these are going on my stairs. And then one in my entryway over the mirror. Yeah, they just keeps going. Like, I got a lot. And then paired with this one. Yeah, I got garland for days. Okay, all right, go over there. All right, moving on to wreath. I think I only got one wreath this year. Okay, back to garland. I'm sorry. I forgot that I had these wooden ones from Target. This is the Heart in Hand beaded garland. This is 12 feet. 12 feet and it was $12.99. So I just picked up 2 because I already own something similar like this from Michael. So I don't think I will need anymore. And these are going on my tree and I might put it in on my mantle up there. So I just got 2 of those. And then this is a blanket from Heart in Hand. And this was, I believe, $19.99, and I just love the simplicity of it. I love the green, you know, because it's all about greenery this year. All about green. And then, okay, so now back to the wreath. I got the matching wreath to that garland right here, and I just love, and this was $40. Somebody needs to slap me again. This is from the Studio McGee collection. Try to see if I can get up close to see how. And then it comes with this little ribbon. I might add some more ribbons to this, but get into it. It is pretty gorgeous. I love it. I love it. And I know exactly where that is going. So let's get into ornaments and picks for the tree. Okay, so I can't find another bag of ornaments, but from Walmart I got this guy. This was my inspiration, and you get 62 shatterproof ornaments for $34.98. I might go back and get another pack, but I love the this color right here. I think it's gray. It looks black. I don't know. I love this color right here, and I got it for the green. So I got that from Walmart. And then from Hobby Lobby, I don't know why it's so dark right now. Whatever, we're just gonna stick with that. I got these. They were originally $16.99, 60% off. So I just got these, and then over the years I'm gonna keep adding to that. So I just got a 4-pack. I don't think I need any more. Yeah. And then I got this one. This was $17.99, 60% off. And it has some speckle or whatever that glitter situation is. I'm not a fan, but I love the pattern of that. And last but not least, I got this one. And I love the pattern on this one. This one was $17.99, 60% off. And can you see it? Can you picture it? Sicily, like, yeah. I love it. Love, love, love it. And then I also got this one little ornament. Every year I try to get an ornament, and I got this little reindeer situation. It looks purple in person, but I don't know what color it is. There's that. And if I'm staring in the thing and not looking at you guys, it's because I'm recording on my cell phone and I don't know where to look. So next I got this vase. Don't mind my finger. I popped my nails off. I was very impatient, so I popped a really good set off. So whatever. Don't mind. But got these vase filler situation. I'm thinking of turning them into ornaments. Let me put it down. But this is what it looks like. And this was $10 from Heart and Hand from Target. And I'm thinking of using the velvet ribbons to put those as ornaments on my tree. Next up, oh, and then from, this is Home Goods. I got these for $7.99 and they're so pretty. So those are all the new ornaments that I picked up this year. And now let's move into picks. So for picks, I went to Hobby Lobby and I just got a whole bunch of these. These were $5.99 and I got it when it was 50% off. So I got a bunch of those. I got a lot of those. I think that's all that's in that bag. Then from TJ Maxx, I got this bell situation. I'm gonna stick it in a a wreath. It was $12.99 and I was just getting desperate because I couldn't find the gold bell, so I just bought this. But I really like it. It's wood and it just has that. So I love it. I love it. It has a crack right here, but it's whatever. It's fine. And then I got these for my trees last year on clearance for $1. I love the smell of pine. Ooh, so good. So good. My house is looking like Christmas just threw up all over. And my lighting is just weird. Maybe if I open the window. Maybe that will work. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just out of it. But I got some of these bells for my tree. I'm just going to stick them in the tree. I got a ton of them because I thought they were going to be like popular. And I didn't want them to sell out. So I started buying them a long time ago. I have more somewhere. And then yesterday I went back and got these for my tree. And I paid $4 something for these. I believe they were $11.99. And then I'm just gonna add to the collection over the years. I got 5 yesterday. And then I also got this pick right here to go on the tree. I got 4 of these. These were $6.99, 60% off. And I might go back and get some more because I just love the length of them. So that's that. More bells. And I might be missing something here, but it's just a lot. It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. But last year I couldn't find these and I got a ton of them. Some of them are still in the basement, but I couldn't afford not be able to get my hands on them this year. So I bought a lot. They were $5.99 and I paid $3 for them when they were 50% off because Hobby Lobby came running out the door with Christmas at 50% off when they put it out. So I got these back in September. And then of course I got some of these. My Bible is telling me to take a minute to pray. And then I also got some of these. Oh, they're messy. And these were $1.99, so $1. But it just looks like that. So pretty, so gorgeous. I got a lot of those. Whole bag. Call me crazy, but it's okay. And then from Target, I got this tree. This is not the studio. This is just the threshold. And I paid $15 for it. And I just got one. I was going to get the baby one, but I was like, no, Target is not getting me for my money this year. And then I just got this LED light up candle something tree This was $15. I was going crazy up in Target, you hear me? And then also from Target, I got this candle thing. It just reminds me of the one from Pottery Barn. This was $10. And then I got one from Walmart last year on clearance, and my kids dropped it in the basement and broke it. So I don't have that one. It was a tree, really green tree one. They broke that. They broke several of my Christmas decoration this year, but it's okay. I got these trees from Walmart because, yeah, get into them. The big one was 15, and then the little one was 10. So, yeah, I love these. Love those. Sorry, I am a hot mess. I am walking around collecting all the items that are just laid out everywhere. But I got this from Home Goods for my downstairs bathroom. It was $12.99, a little pricey, but it's a tree, and I just love the bottle. Just get into it. Like, how pretty is that? So I got that, and I love the gold for my downstairs powder room. And then to go with it, I picked up this, and I just love the gold, and I love the green and the white. And I got green because white, my kids dirty real fast. So yeah. So I got that. And then for the floor, I just got this rug. It's cream. Yeah, so the bathroom downstairs is done. And then I've been looking for like really thick stockings for my mantle. And I just wasn't willing to pay like $15 per stocking. I found this at Walmart for $9.98. I feel like that's a reasonable price. But I need a couple more. The ones from last year are red, green, and beige. And I don't know. But I found this one, and I'm still on the hunt for 2 more because I'm only going to put 3 stocking on my mantle this year. I'm just not going to overdo it. But it is so soft and cozy. And for $10, not bad. And then last but definitely not least, there are a few more items around the place, but this video is getting way too long, so I'm just going to let you guys watch my Christmas decorate with me. Stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of those. But because I picked up some stuff for the kitchen, like new appliances for the kitchen. And so you will see new pieces as I go, and I will point out what's new. But last but not least are these bells. I own the big ones from last year. And I couldn't find these from Ross. I saw them last year, and I hunted all of last year to find this bell, and I couldn't find it. And then I walked into my Ross one day, and there it was, just one. So I just grabbed it. I snagged it. Yeah, like ASAP. And then I DIY another one, but I don't even know where it's at. My Christmas decoration downstairs in the basement overwhelms me. I spent 2 hours today trying to clean it out, and I just had to step away because I felt like a crazy woman with all of her things. I was like, I'm going to trip over here and probably this is where, I'm not even going to put that out in the atmosphere, but I just had to take a break. But anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking with me. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Comment down below, tree. You know, I might do a giveaway. I want to be consistent. I want to grow. So please hold me accountable. You know, I've been doing this for years, and I've been on and off and on and off and on and off. I don't know whether I'm going or coming. But, you know, everything that happened with our neighbor, I'm fully back. 4 years. You know, that's how long it took for me to recover from, you know, the bullying from our neighbors. And it took 4 years for me to be here comfortable in my skin, in my home, doing what I love. 4 years. I was set back 4 years. But, you know, they say setback is always, you know, a setup for your comeback. You know what I mean? So anyways, your girl is back. And thank you guys so much for rocking with me, for sticking with me. And I love you guys, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.